Hi, I'm Yulia from Digital Original. And Digital Original is the easiest way for artists and galleries to create own NFT store and start selling digital art directly to collector just in a few minutes. No subscription, no hidden fees, and no need to mint your artwork before you actually sell. So there is no risk to create your NFT store with us. And in this short video, I will show you how to set up your own account on Digital Original. So first, you should go to digitaloriginal.app. Click here to create a store. Fill up the registration form. And you will have access to your own Digital Original account. You will have access to a dashboard, and that's where your NFT store story begins. First thing to set up is your artist profile. Fill up the form with a name. Set up some social media links. And give a bit of information about yourself. The next important step is to upload your crypto wallet to your account. That's where all sales processes will happen and automatically transfer to your crypto wallet after successful sale. You can choose among different options we have at the crypto wallets. Connect it with your browser version or mobile version. When you will receive a confirmation message from your crypto wallet, you can click here to save your wallet in the system. Please once again confirm the connection of the wallet to the system. And this is it. Just in a few seconds, your crypto wallet connected to your NFT store. And the next thing is to upload artworks to the system. You can make it here. Upload your artwork. Fill up here the artwork name, choose digital native, choose among different formats your artwork is. It can be a still image like here, 3D objects, animated art, or generative art. Fill here the artwork price, the year of creation, style, some mediums, and the country of origin. Your NFT store is almost ready, and you one step before start selling it directly to collector. You can choose between sell it for the fixed price or create an auction that is really good for creating FOMO around your artwork, engaging deeply to collectors, and you can set up a date and a limited prices to sell your artwork. And you can see here that there is no hidden fees. You will earn 90% from the successful sale. And the good news, this artwork is not minted yet, so you don't have to pay extra minting fees. And this is it. That's how easy you can create your own NFT store in a few easy steps. Fully branded by you, with instant payment in USDC straight to your wallet, with options to sell via auctions or fixed prices, and no hidden fees or subscription. Whether you're selling AI art, photography, or curating digital art, Digital Original gives you a full control without tech hassle. Try it for free on digitaloriginal.app. I'm looking forward to see your digital art alive on your own NFT storefront.